how to speed up the process of dissolving floating objects in the ice. Two methods. Method 1. On the street or on the balcony, we look at the sky on a sunny day. We see floating objects and do oculomotor exercises in a relaxed, soft and stress-free way. We make circular rotation of the ice and draw a circle in the sky in one direction and in the other. It turns out these floating objects are shaken, the effect like in a shaker, which helps dissolve them. Blood circulation in the ice improves, the ice work better and all processes in the ice are better. No need to move the ice powerfully. This will cause an overstrain of the eye muscles, lightly and without tension. Second way, it was conducted an experiment in which a person ate a slice of pineapple a day, and after 6 months, floating objects in his eyes was dissolved and disappeared. Third way, you can check the Eyesight Academy course to improve your vision naturally, and it's more ways and more in-depth information on how to get rid of eye floaters naturally. Link in the description below.